Hi everyone. Waving hand, welcome back to your favorite channel for learning English the easy way. Today we're learning 5 must-know English phrases that you can use every single day. These phrases are simple, useful, and will help you sound like a pro. Are you ready? Let's go. Now we have a 5-part exercise. Part 1. Good to see you. Part 2. I'll be right back. Part 3. Don't worry about it. Part 4. That sounds great. Part 5. I'm not sure. Phrase 1. Good to see you. This is a friendly way to greet someone when you meet them. For example,
Hi, Sarah. Good to see you.
Hey, Tom. Good to see you again.
say it with me. Good to see you. Let's try together. Good to see you. Great. Phrase 2. I'll be right back. This phrase is perfect when you need to leave for a short time, but you'll come back soon. For example, I'm going to the kitchen. I'll be right back. Wait here, I'll be right back. Phrase 3. Don't worry about it. This is a polite way to say, it's okay or no problem, for example.
Sorry I'm late.
Don't worry about it.
I forgot my book at home.
It's okay. Don't worry about it.
Let's say it together. Don't worry about it. Awesome. Phrase 4. That sounds great. This phrase is used when you agree with someone's idea or suggestion, for example.
Let's go to the park this afternoon.
That sounds great.
How about pizza for dinner?
That sounds great.
Practice with me. That sounds great. Perfect. Phrase 5. I'm not sure. This is a polite way to say you don't know or you're uncertain, for example. What time is the meeting?
I'm not sure. Let me check. Do you like this movie?
I'm not sure yet. Repeat with me. I'm not sure. Great work. Practice time. Now it's your turn. Write a sentence using one of today's phrases in the comments. I'll read your examples and give you feedback. Conclusion. Great job today, everyone. Remember, practice makes perfect. Use these phrases every day, and you'll sound more natural in no time. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more fun and easy English lessons. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye for now.